Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate the agency listings step by step clearly. To activate the agency listings, begin by logging into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various options. Locate the listings section on the left-hand menu. Click on agency listings to proceed to the next step. If this is your first time accessing agency listings, you may need to set up your agency profile. Follow the prompts to fill out all required information for your agency. Once your profile is complete, return to the agency listings page. Here, look for the Activate Listings button at the top right corner. Click the button to start the activation process. You may be prompted to verify your agency information. Complete any verification steps as instructed. After verification, the system will allow you to select the specific listings you wish to activate. Choose the desired listings by clicking the respective checkboxes. Once you have selected all relevant listings, click on the Activate Selected button. A confirmation message will appear, ensuring your listings have been activated successfully. Check the main listings page to confirm that your agency listings are now live. If you encounter any issues, revisit the support section for troubleshooting tips. You are now ready to manage your agency listings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.